The CX-7 offers a remote vehicle starting system, so the vehicle can be started from inside the driver's house. This allows the driver to comfortably warm up the engine before going out to the vehicle. The Acura RDX doesn't offer a remote starting system.
I hate sitting in the freezing cold, shivering from head to toe, waiting for my car to warm up. I am so thankful that cars come with remote starters now. I grab my keys, click a button, and get the car warming up before I even put on my coat. By the time I get out of the house and run to the car, it's nice and cozy inside. Starts my day off right, and you can't ask for more than that.